All right, y'all, let's dive into this Tuesday trade idea on Nvidia. So overall, Nvidia, of course, is a beast of a symbol. It has continued more recently to be in this nice bullish trend, holding the 10-period simple moving average, the short dashed yellow line on my chart, as an overall support. More recently, we've continued to test that level, hold it. Today we bounced up, making a nice bullish divergent bar, which means we're looking for that high probability of a higher high within the next few trading days. But on top of that, we also have several intraday squeezes setting up. So the 4-hour chart has a nice intraday squeeze with the recent true low signal, overall bullish sentiment, room for momentum to move, and bullish trend holding support. The hourly chart has a great intraday squeeze, momentum starting to build back up once again in an overall bullish trend. And then the 30-minute chart has a nice squeeze, overall bullish sentiment. Does have a little bit of resistance here around 184, but outside of that, I love the energy on the intraday squeezes. I love the overall bullish sentiment. And with earnings coming up, it does look like a good contender to try and continue higher into the announcement. If you like this trade idea and want to hit the like and subscribe button, feel free to do so now. But this is the trade idea that I am looking at on Nvidia at the moment. So over in the small lots room at Simpler Trading, uh, and over in the Mastering the Trade room, I have jumped into the 187.50, 192.50 5-point debit call vertical spread. This is the August 22nd expiration, so it gives it a little bit of time. But if I'm able to take this off for a quick win by the end of the week, I would be more than happy to do so. Currently, it's about $1.23 cost basis. If it's anything like our TSM trade from last week, you might be able to get a slight discount on it tomorrow, but we'll see how this one holds up. Overall, I think there's only been one setup so far for our Tuesday trade ideas that hasn't worked out, at least as of yet. So we'll see if we can keep this streak going. Thanks y'all so much for joining me in this video. As always, may the trade be with you, my fellow Jedis, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Bye.